Всем привет! У меня сегодня рейс в Филиппины, Кларк. Я, кстати, никогда не была еще в этом направлении. Я была в Маниле, это столица. Вот в Кларке я еще не бывала. Так что впервые лечу в это направление. И да, это рейс в режиме пандемии, в режиме короны, так что эти рейсы отличаются для нас и для пассажиров очень многим. Я на самом деле вчера готовила себе еду, и в этот момент мне пришло сообщение о том, что у меня рейс. Сейчас у меня резервный месяц, и поэтому я достаточно часто получаю рейсы, я этому, конечно, очень рада. Вот, буквально недавно сделала Дели рейс, это разворотный рейс в Индию, и сегодня у меня будет Филиппины. So we just arrived, and look at this room. I just wanted to show you that this is the locker. From inside that I always lock. Means that nobody can open my door without my permission, let's say. And yeah, that's the place that I always use for the suitcases. Even though sometimes it's hard to lift it here. I want my room to be tidy, so I need to deal with this. 3, 2, 1. Lock my suitcase, and here we go. The Pandora box is... Oh, I feel like my banana...
I have no idea why I'm still wearing my face mask.
Were scratched. I feel the smell of banana. Smashed, I mean. And the introduction of TV, they are very welcoming here. I'm surprised it's not written my name. Mostly in this kind of destination there is like a name and surname which is welcoming us. And just look at this, how cute is that? I was actually craving for something sweet, and looks so pretty. What's that? 64% chocolate. Some hygiene kit as always. I love it. They were so welcoming here. I think they're so happy that we are coming back. I mean, you know, guys, that the symbol of Emirates is the tourism, people that we are bringing to them. God, I can see the volcano from my window. Oh my god, I'm so happy today. You cannot even imagine. I was expecting to be having a flight, night tiring flight.
I forgot to mention that I was heading to Clark means I was in business class and I wasn't working.
Yeah, I'm actually overexcited because, to be honest, even green grass is so exciting for me now to be seeing after being in Dubai for 6 months. And we've been actually in Dubai for the lockdown, for entire quarantine, and we were at the summertime in Dubai, which is... And I'm not sure if you can see, but there are some airplanes. Try to show you somehow. The airport is right there. Can you see some airplanes there? And if I will catch the moment, sometimes I can see from here how the aircraft are landing or taking off. Just right near the volcano. I'm not even sure if it's actually a volcano, but I need to double check. It looks like a tal, the one where we've been. I love it.
As I already mentioned, it's not allowed for us to go out of our rooms, but sometimes we just follow the procedure of the hotel. And in this one, it was actually allowed to go downstairs to have breakfast and to use the facilities of the hotel. So did I. I went for breakfast and it was really good, as always in Philippines. So I just decided to go and quickly check how the pool and gym looks like, but I didn't plan to use any. So that was the floor of the pool side, I guess. Yes. And at that time, when we were visiting Clark, it wasn't really hot outside. I would consider it as a spring, so nobody was there. But it was just nice for me to see, the pool of the hotel after the lockdown, after not flying for 3 or 4 months. So I definitely wanted it to go and just to see it.
В том, что у меня есть еще 30 минут экстра, потому что я планировала, что спускаться мне нужно будет в 6:10, так скажем. Ну, в общем, 40 минут я получила плюсом.
All I realized after this flight is that sometimes we just need to accept the situation and try to be still grateful for something small that we have. I know this flight for me as a cabin crew might be completely different. I would love to see Clark, but I was just grateful for my view, and that was enough for me at that day. I hope you liked this video and I gave you some new information and new updates about flying situation for us, for flight attendants nowadays. This is the lifestyle that we are having now, and I hope that things really would get better soon. Hope to see you in the next one. Bye!